Hi, Janet Harley with Janet Harley Speaks. Communicating what's not said matters. I want to help you communicate to connect and build strong business relationships through the use of nonverbal communication, communicating without words. Someone asked me the other day, how could they improve their tone of voice? Sometimes businessmen and women develop a flat tone about their voice, or a monotone, if you will. Here are 3 ways that you can improve your tone of voice. First of all, vary the pace of your voice. Sometimes when you're speaking with your customer or your audience, speak a little faster. Sometimes slow the pace of your voice down, and always use pauses. Next, be energetic. Pay attention to your breathing. Does your voice sound weak or have that nasal tone? It could be because you're not getting enough air through your lungs. In another video, I'll be sharing with you some exercises that will help you in your breathing. The third way to improve your tone of voice is to be expressive. Use those muscles in your face. If you'd like to learn more about how to improve your tone of voice or any other nonverbal cues and how nonverbal communication puts purpose to your words, visit my website at janetharley.net. Also, check out the free gift I have for you. Subscribe, if you will, to my YouTube channel. Thanks for listening. See you later.